In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to uninstall MetaTrader 5 on your PC. This is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your computer, and then from here you'll need to close down MetaTrader 5 if you don't already have that closed. From here you'll need to go down to Start and then search for Uninstall Apps right here. From here you should be doing something like this. And here you can go up to the search bar and click in MetaTrader 5 like so. And as you can see here, MetaTrader 5. From here you'll need to go over to these three dots called Option and go down to Uninstall and then click Uninstall. From here it should ask you if you really sure you want to uninstall it. Just click Next and click Next right here. From here you can see you will prepare an uninstallment and you'll just click Finish. And as you can see over here, now MetaTrader 5 has been successfully uninstalled from your computer. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!